Newark Symphony Hall is celebrating its centennial anniversary, marking 100 years of music, history, and cultural impact in the heart of the city. But this milestone is more than a reflection on the past. It signals the hall's transformation into a revitalized, active hub for Newark's creative future. Phase 2 of renovations include restoring the building's iconic marquee on Broad Street and updating 30,000 square feet of interior space. Inside, a new arts and education lab will feature music lesson rooms, dance studios, rehearsal spaces, and interactive programming, all designed to connect and inspire artists at any age and every stage. This work builds upon earlier upgrades to the Terrace Ballroom, a flexible, multi-use venue now equipped for community programming, performances, and special events. But Newark Symphony Hall's story isn't just about what's being built now. It's also about the incredible legacy that's been here all along. For a century, music has come alive here, from rock legends like the Rolling Stones to cultural icons like Jimi Hendrix. Newark's own Sarah Vaughan, one of the most celebrated voices in the jazz scene, has also graced the stage. Her presence reflects the city's deep ties to jazz, a tradition that continues to shape Newark's identity. Today, the Sarah Vaughan Concert Hall stands as both a tribute to her contributions and a reminder that great performances will always have a home here. That history is the foundation Newark Symphony Hall is building on today. Newark Symphony Hall is New Jersey's largest Black-led arts and entertainment venue, and that distinction carries weight. This place doesn't just talk the talk, it also walks the walk.
When you're doing a project at this magnitude and investing in a historic institution, we're not only on a state historic registry, we're on a federal historic registry. People love Newark Symphony Hall. It is a gem. It is our place of community. It's really how do we strategically meet the moment. It's been an exciting run to see the Black creative economy expand. For the second year, we're going to be doing creative cocktails. We're going to be doing smaller gatherings of creatives, really focus on specific industries leading up to the summit. And at the end of the day, if we're not talking about doing business together, we're not really creating the economy. We're not investing in that life cycle of funds. It's been an exciting run to see the Black creative economy expand.
Part of that mission is making sure that the arts are accessible to everyone. While New Jersey has world-class cultural institutions like NJPAC, Newark Symphony Hall fills a different role, one rooted in accessibility. Smaller organizations and emerging artists often can't afford the big stages, but here they have space to teach, perform, fundraise, and to grow. The hall also opens doors for those pursuing film and television careers. Its production assistant training program offers hands-on experience in lighting, audio, and production logistics. And because the hall is an active filming location, participants can move straight from training to real-world jobs in the industry. It all adds up to a venue that's not just preserving the past, but shaping the future. As Newark Symphony Hall begins its next century, it's bringing new life to the arts and culture that is uniquely just in Jersey.